Mr. Chair,
Congressman Nabante.
tayo po nagpapasalamat kay Atty. na yung ating pag-imbita sa kanya, palagi siya nandito. No? The fact that he worked as a spokesman of the Vice President before. Gusto ko lang tanongin sa kanya, kilala niya yung mga taong to. Ito ba talaga mga ugali nitong mga taong to? Talagay mo, Tony Chu. Ba talaga ugali ng mga taong ito? Mr. Chair. Yeah, Your Honor.
Attorney Powa, you're recognized.
I hope you would forgive me, but I cannot comment on that. Sorry. Well, I'm just so glad, Mr. Chair, that Attorney Powa do not have this kind of an attitude also. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Luistro.
Mr. Chair, to complete the arguments, our answer to the arguments which were raised by the OVP in their position paper, I wish to share the rules and the jurisprudence which were cited with respect to the argument on subjudice rule. Isa po sa mga dahilan na ginagamit ng OVP why they refuse to attend our inquiry in aid of legislation is the rule on subjudice. By this, we are prevented from making any comment or disclosures pertaining to judicial proceeding, which may directly or indirectly impede, obstruct, or degrade the administration of justice. In Filipino, Mr. Chair, kapag ang subject matter is already pending in court, generally we are precluded from making any comment.
Bebe, madulas ka dyan, huwag ka umatep ha.
Ang parameters when the subjudice rule may apply. And I wish to share, number one, under section 1.
Bebe, madulas ka dyan, Baba, mamaya ka, pagkatapos ninong maglaba.
The filing or pendency of a case before any court, tribunal, or quasi-judicial or administrative body shall not stop or abate any inquiry conducted to carry out a legislative process. Number two, Mr. Chair, there is no pending court case or administrative appeal that involves the same subject matter of this hearing. I understand that there are pending petitions before the Supreme Court, but let us acknowledge that the subject matter of those petitions is the constitutionality of the grant of confidential fund to executive offices like the OVP and the DepEd. Whereas the subject matter of this investigation, Mr. Chair, is the utilization of the confidential fund. These are two different matters, Mr. Chair. And third, Mr. Chair, let us be aware of the jurisprudence on the case of Romero II versus Estrada. This is GR number 174-105, promulgated on April 2, 2009, which essentially states ongoing judicial proceedings cannot preclude or hinder congressional hearings in aid of legislation. In this case, it was held that the mere filing of a criminal or an administrative complaint before a court should not automatically bar the conduct of legislative investigation. Otherwise, Mr. Chair, it would be extremely easy to subvert any intended inquiry by Congress through the convenient ploy of instituting a criminal or an administrative complaint. Surely, the exercise of sovereign legislative authority, of which the power of legislative inquiry is an essential component, cannot be made subordinate to a criminal or administrative investigation. In conclusion, Mr. Chair, there is no leg to stand on where the OVP can raise the rule on subjudice. I submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congresswoman Luistro. Mayroon pa bang gusto mag-comment? Yes, Congressman Defensor, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Just to put to rest once and for all the issue whether this is in aid of legislation. This is clearly in aid of legislation because ang pera na ginamit ng OVP at ng DepEd is funded and forms part of the single most important legislation passed by Congress every year, and that is the annual budget or the General Appropriations Act. Walang pwedeng magsabi na ang pondo na binibigay sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno kapag iniimbestigahan ng committee ito is not part of in aid of legislation because we legislate the funds that we give to all agencies and instrumentalities of government. And it is for us to determine through our oversight and this committee whether we will fund it again, whether we will repeal it, or whether we will not no longer fund these programs through these confidential and intelligence funds. So I hope that is clear to every Filipino na in aid of legislation ito kasi part ito ng annual budget or General Appropriations Act taon-taon. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Abante.
I fully agree with Congresswoman Luistro and Congressman Defensor on what they said. Ito po ay pinapanood ng taong bayan na kinakailangan po nila na itong pondong ito, whether confidential po ito o hindi, nagastos na po ito. Hindi pa ito gagastusin, nagastos na po ito. Ang nais nating malaman kung paano ito nagastos. Tungkulin po natin yan sa committee ito na alamin upang malaman po ng taong bayan na yung paggastos po ng pondo na nanggaling sa mga taxpayers ay tama at naaayon sa mandato na ibinigay sa office ng pangalawang Pangulo. Kaya nga po iniimbitahan natin itong mga tao ito na nakakaalam ng mga pondong ito. Ako naman po ay medyo naaawa na rin sa ating members ng COE na naririnig na sa mga katanungan natin. Talagang dapat pumunta na po ito. Kaya gusto kuning i-air ang warning na ito muli. Pag hindi pa sila nagpunta sa panglimang pagkakataon, ako na po ay mag-motion to issue a contempt order. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Your Honor.
Abante. Yes,
Thank
Comsec.
you, Your Honor. We recognize the presence of Honorable Ernesto M. Dionisio Jr., Member, 1st District of the City of Manila, as well as Honorable Jonathan T. Flores, 2nd District of Bukidnon. Your Honor, present as well today are representatives from the Bank of the Philippines, AVP Nanita Camposano, the DOTC branch. Ma'am, may you please raise your hand? Present, Your Honor. DM Joyce L. Eclavea, DepEd branch. And Attorney Rafael Christopher L. Yap, Special Legal Concerns Department. Present, Your Honor.
Nakapag-take na po ba sila ng oath?
No, Your Honor, they are new invitees, Your Honor.
Yes, pwede po bang paki-administer yung oath, Comsec?
From the representatives of the land bank, kindly stand up. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry? So help you God. Thank you, Your Honor. The oath has been administered.
Thank you. We will now proceed to our next item, the agenda, the continuation of the deliberation. We will first call on the first interpellator, the Honorable Congressman Roch Gutierrez. Yes, you are first to interpellate.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yung mga gusto pong Congressman, yung mga gusto pa pong Congressman na magpalista lang po, lumapit lang po kay Congressman. Thank you po. Please continue, Congressman Roch.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I just have a few questions based here. Given that this is already our fourth hearing, I'm sure COA is very much used to our questioning, and I hope they could indulge us some more. Actually, Mr. Chair, yung aking mga katanungan is supposedly directed to the Special Disbursement Officer of the OEPs. Under my understanding, based on the joint memo, this would have been SDO Acosta's responsibility. number 6.3.2, Section B, it is part of the Special Disbursing Officer's responsibility to maintain separate records of all transactions and to retain a certified copy or duplicate copy of the required supporting documents and reports and utilization. However, and my question is precisely on this, on the acknowledgement receipts attached as justification yung documentary evidence presented. However, given that the SDO is not around, I guess we'll be forced to at least get this some of the answers I've been forced to ask the COA. So that Mr. Chair, I'd like to direct my questions perhaps to Attorney Camora from the ICFAO, if they would be so kind to indulge. Just to add context po, Attorney Camora. We know po that the confidential funds are special in the sense that they respond to, they pertain to a certain purpose only allowable under the Joint Memo Circular. But this does not mean that this is a blank check po, no? It's not a blanket authority that is to be spent without justification. Would that be a fair statement po?
Attorney Camora, you're recognized.
That is correct po, Your Chair.
So in line with the requirements of the COA, you would ask for liquidation report. So though it's special in the sense that it is directed only to the chairman of the COA, you still have the ICFAO to study this. And in fact, the ICFAO who gives the AOMs the notice of disallowance and the notice of credit in relation to confidential funds. Is that correct, Mr. Chair?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
So, Mr. Chair, given the maybe I have a timeline again of the 2022 confidential fund usage of the OVP. If I understand correctly, it was dispersed within 11 days. This was for December 2022, and the basis of the funds was transferred from the contingent fund. But there was an AUM issued by your office. Anong date po nito?
Mr. Chair, the first AOM is dated September 14, 2023.
So for the 2022 confidential funds, September 2023 AOM, and the response by the Office of Vice President was received around what time po?
It was received by the ICFAO on October 19, 2023, Mr. Chair.
October 2023. And one of the findings there was insufficient documentations po, no? And this would be pertaining to in support of the liquidation reports yung ating mga acknowledgement receipts. Because compared to usual spending by government wherein we actually need official receipts, kapag ang pinag-uusapan po ay confidential or intelligence funds because precisely confidential dapat yung usage nito, it is sufficient to submit acknowledgement receipts. Tama po ba?
Mr. Chair, since the requirement is documentary evidence of payment, not necessarily official receipt.
Correct.
So they could submit
Attorney
acknowledgement
Camora, pwede pong pakilakas ang yung boses ninyo.
Documentary evidence of payment po ang required sa joint circular. So the acknowledgement receipts are acceptable po.
Correct po, no? And I agree with that. So the acknowledgement receipts are acceptable. However, one of the findings of the AOM was kulang nga po